Hello students, today our topic is photosynthesis in higher plant and most important MCQ questions of this chapter. Phosphoenol pyruvate PEP is the primary CO2 acceptors in C3 plants, C4 plants, C2 plants, C3 and C4 plants. And answer of this question is C4 plant. In a chloroplast, the highest number of protons are found in lumen of thylakoids, intermembrane space, antennae complex, stroma. And answer is lumen of thylakoids. The correct sequence of cell organelles during photorespiration is chloroplast, Golgi bodies, mitochondria. Chloroplast, rough endoplasmic reticulum, dichotosome. Chloroplast, mitochondria, peroxisome. Chloroplast, vacuole, peroxisome. And answer is option C. The process which make major difference between C3 and C4 plant is glycolysis, Calvin cycle, photorespiration, respiration. And answer will be photorespiration. Which element is located at the center of the propyrin ring in chlorophyll? Manganese and chlorine, calcium, magnesium and molybdenum, potassium. And answer of this question is option C, magnesium and molybdenum. Which technique has helped in investigation of Calvin cycle? X-ray crystallography, X-ray technique, radioactive isotope technique, intermittent light. And answer of this question is radioactive isotope technique. Cyclic photophosphorylation result in the formation of NADPH, ATP and NADPH, ATP and O2, ATP. And answer is option D, ATP. NADPH is generated through photosystem 1, photosystem 2, anaerobic respiration, glycolysis. And answer B, photosystem 2. The first acceptor of electron from an excited chlorophyll molecule of photosystem 2 is cytochrome, iron sulfur protein, ferredoxin, quinine. So answer of this question is option D. Anoxygenic photosynthesis is characteristic of Rhodospirillum, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas alba. So answer of this question is option A, Rhodospirillum. Pigment acting as a reaction center during photosynthesis is carotene, phytochrome, P700, cytochrome. And answer is option C, P700. Photosynthetic pigment found in the chloroplast occur in thylakoid membranes, plastoglobules, matrix, chloroplast envelope. So answer is option A, thylakoid membranes. Translocation of carbohydrates nutrients usually occur in the form of glucose, maltose, starch, sucrose. And answer is option D, sucrose. Electron energy is used to drive protein against concentration gradient across thylakoid membrane into stroma lamella, thylakoid lumen, stroma, interthylakoid space. So answer is B, thylakoid lumen. In photosystem 1, the first electron acceptor is cytochrome, plastocyanin, an iron sulfur protein, ferredoxin. So answer is C, an iron sulfur protein. In C3 plants, the first stable product of photosynthesis during dark reaction is malic acid, oxaloacetic acid, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, phosphoglycerol aldehyde. And answer is C, 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Rubisco occur in high quantity as it is an oxygenase catalyzing reversible reaction, degraded rapidly, very slow acting enzyme. So answer of this question is D, slow acting enzyme.